Hi Queen, Dr. Nuttie here. I want to share with you the purpose of life is living a life with purpose. In Japanese culture, according to Blue Zone research study, it's called ikigai, I-K-I-K-A-I. Like rising in the morning with purpose and plan and focus. And in Spanish culture, it's plan de vida, is living life with plan and purpose. Very similar. And in Japanese culture, there's also no word for retirement. And so people live life with the joyful heart and waking up. I think of the word good morning is basically M-O-R-E, to be more, to do more, to love more, to give more. And then we learn to increase capacity of our heart to receive more and give more as well. So that's something to think about, whether are we living more life with purpose or we just dragging our feet, right? And just like Einstein said, you can live life like everything is a miracle, and you are a miracle, by the way, right? How your mom and your dad cells become this magnificent, beautiful body. And or you can live life like nothing is a miracle. Which way you rather live? No brainer, right? You can live life like everything is a miracle because you are already a miracle. So that's the only way to be. So good morning. Be more, do more, love more, receive more, give more. Love to you. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Like and subscribe and share your thought and opinion. Share with your friends and family and loved ones and see how these words spread so we can all be more and expand our consciousness, expand our life to be more purposeful life. Love to you all. Can't wait to see you in the next video.